Yeah, it's a
Says
lot
it's-
softer.
It's more like natural.
More relaxing.
Over here. Oh my
Isis.
goodness, is it? Over here already. That's it, over here. Now where's the check-in thing?
Oh, and we got the nice beach section over here with the strips.
Yep. Now where is the
Check-in?
thing? Oh, here. Did you check in there? Oh, here. I guess. There's the check-in. Yep. Oh wow, thank you. It's a nice room. God, look at that. This is the corner room. Wait, we got the corner one.
Yep.
We was expecting the other one. They said this is the new room though. Newly renovated. It's just a bit dusty.
23 degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius?
This is a nice room, but it's a little bit dusty.
Oh my goodness. This is so cool. And there is the shower. Oh, this is so cool.
Okay, room tour. Okay, here's the. You know already. So push. Wow. And you can see the bed. The toilet, it's separated, and the shower is separated. Oh wow. Okay. It's just a little bit hard to close, you know. But the view is all about the view. Let's just have a B-roll. And who's there? Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Let's close it. Hi there, sir. Look at the washroom. Okay, the bed first. Let's appreciate the bed. I'm just too excited that we got the the room that I was looking for.